Jupid AI just dropped, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, especially if you're thinking this might be the next game-changing AI tool. I've tested thousands of AI softwares over the years, and this one surprised me. Before we get into it, you can try Jupid AI completely free. I've linked it right at the top of the description. But don't just grab it yet. I'm about to share something that might make you use it in a completely different way than you're expecting. So, what is Jupid AI? At its core, it's a content generation and automation platform designed to help marketers, freelancers, and small teams produce high-quality assets faster. But here's where it stands out. Jupid doesn't just spit out generic AI content. It allows you to stack prompts, chain workflows, and create dynamic sequences that feel human-made. Think of it like having your own creative agency, without the meetings. One of the best things, you don't need to be a prompt engineer. Jupid AI comes with pre-built workflows, from ad copy and product descriptions to long-form content and email sequences, all customizable with just a few clicks. For marketers like me, this is gold. I ran a test campaign using Jupid AI to generate ad variations, and it nailed voice, CTA, and segmentation better than most tools I've used. The interface is clean, minimal, and built for speed. You're not overwhelmed with 100 features, just the ones that matter. Plus, it learns fast. The more you tweak, the more refined your results get, which makes it ideal if you work with multiple clients or projects. Another underrated feature? Built-in collaboration tools. You can share projects, get approvals, and even build templates that your team can duplicate instantly. It's rare to find that level of workflow flexibility in a new AI tool, especially one still offering a free trial. Now, a small heads up. While it's packed with power, Jupid AI is still new. So, expect the occasional rough edge or update rollout, but the team behind it is actively improving and responsive to feedback. Which is a great sign this isn't just a quick release cash grab. By the way, there's a trick to getting even more value out of Jupid AI, but I'll cover that in another video soon. You'll want to make sure you're subscribed for that. Until then, grab the free trial from the first link below and test it for yourself. And if you're exploring other tools, I've also included my top recommended AI software picks in the description. All free to try, all battle tested after using thousands of AI apps. Let me know in the comments what you're building with Jupid. I'd love to hear.